I hear a train a-comin', I hear the train in the wilderness, a low hum rolling like thunder across the worn-out places. The wail of its horn is haunted, breaks the long, lonely silence with an echo from long ago. The distance draws out desire for the dirt road and for that little human touch which is denied us here. How long will this isolation keep us in chains? And how long will salt tears fall, a drizzle of rain? And how long will we hunger for that sweet embrace? And how long before we recognize the mask behind the face? The wolf is draped in sheepskin. Its teeth are twisted behind flags and anthems and tight lips. A candle glows in the darkness and is not hidden, neither is that blood-red glimpse of love. In the wilderness, a holy man roars like a locomotive, eats honey and wild locusts, and for lust they take his head.